In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place a picture-in-picture effect using Clipchamp, and it's only going to take about 5 minutes. Let's dive right into this editing technique that can elevate your video projects whether you're a professional creator or just getting started. To begin, open your preferred browser and head over to clipchamp.com. Once you're there, sign into your account to access the video editing tools. If you haven't done this before, you can easily create an account or, as I'll demonstrate, sign in by clicking on the Continue with Microsoft option. Go ahead and log in with your Microsoft account, ensuring you've selected the correct account if you manage multiple profiles. After logging in, you'll land on the Clipchamp homepage. It's your central hub for all things video editing. From here, click on Create a new video to start our project. This action will open the video editor workspace where the magic happens. Next, we need to import the media we want to use. Look for the Import Media button. It's prominently displayed to ensure the process is seamless. You can import any videos or images you'd like to overlay in your project. Once your media is imported, you'll see them listed in the media library on the left side of your screen. Now it's time to put your videos on the timeline, which is at the bottom workspace of Clipchamp. Drag and drop the main video that will serve as the background onto the timeline. Above this track, drag another video or image to create the picture-in-picture effect. To perfect the overlay, adjust the position of this second video clip. You can drag it to any corner or area of the screen to suit your needs. Resizing is just as straightforward. Click and drag the edges of the overlay clip until it fits perfectly within your main video. Play around with the dimensions. It's all about making sure it looks just right for your project. Once you have your picture-in-picture effect positioned and sized as desired, you've completed the core setup. But don't stop there. You can further enhance your video with filters or add effects, adding another layer of professionalism. Maybe try a subtle color correction or an artistic filter that complements your footage. Clipchamp offers a variety of options to give your project the polish it deserves, and there you have it, a professional looking picture-in-picture video edited swiftly in Clipchamp. This straightforward process not only elevates your content, but also expands your creative possibilities within just 5 minutes. Thanks for watching.